What is up, my fellow acoustic traders? This is how I made, I don't know, $600+ trading NQ on Monday. Wow, what a pump we got during market open. Let's jump into this trade recap. So, on a daily time frame, we were at all-time highs. Yeah, price action is just bullish. So we pumped here, this is market open. There was this 4 hour gap that it tapped, scaling down to the 1 hour. There was this hourly gap that we tapped and took out liquidity. All these points here, we took them out on a 15 minute. Yeah, there's just gaps. There are highs, low resistance liquidity above, low resistance liquidity below. We tapped here. Now, I was thinking about potentially shorting because it looked like price was really bearish. Like, look at this acceleration move down. And we were playing off this obvious high volume, high imbalance 5 minute gap, part of the 15 minute gap. And this was the only thing holding us from taking out these low resistance liquidity. So I was waiting to see if this candle would have gotten inverse, and then we can take shorts to take all this out. But that all changed when I saw a 30-second entry. Uh, that all changed when I saw a 30-second inverse. Now you see, I can freaking go to 30-second on TradingView because I'm broke. I have no premium. But what I do have is the 1 minute. As you can see, this was really clean. It was an AMD setup. Accumulation, manipulation, and then we had a 1 minute inverse that it should be higher, and it played out perfectly. Now, I did ignore the 30-second. I was kind of late to it, and yeah, I just looked really scary. So I took the 5 minute instead. I took it somewhere here. We immediately pumped. My break even was this point, the first point at the 5 minute gap, because we could easily react off here and go down lower. But we ended up not doing that. Gosh, this is annoying. Yeah, yeah, as you can see, break even was somewhere here. I did not, we did not get stopped our break even. I traded 10 micros. Yeah, I took 2 micros off here. Market open, we just spiked up like hell. I saw we take out the first point of this trendline liquidity. I am out, bruh. Took all my remaining 8 contracts and then price just pumped way higher to go for all-time highs. I got like what? A 1 to 3 plus RR trade, maximum 1 to 4.35 RR. Could have had a Drake Dildo Monster Candle win of a 1 to 17 RR. But realistically, I would have taken final profits maybe here, maybe here. Yeah. Anyways, what could I have improved on? Well, I mechanically and psychologically wasn't the best. I could have taken most of my profits here and leave 1 or 2 micros as a runner to take profit at all-time highs here. And also just see price pumping non-stop once we start chopping, take out the final micro. And yeah, I would have made bank, bro. But yeah, for watching. And yeah, as you can see, it's like a few hours before market open. I don't know if I'm gonna trade. We'll see how all-time highs. We do want a long, but we did inverse this 1 hour. Well, we did inverse this 4 hour as well. Yeah, we might be bearish. I don't know, maybe we take out here and then go higher. Something like this. I do not know. Yeah, we'll just see. We should be 8:30 post speaking. What the? Yeah, so I did realize I showed the wrong trade journal. This is the actual correct one. Yeah, you can just see. Took the entry here, scaled to micros and scaled the remaining after we pumped at 9:30. Yep, trade of it entry on the Apex funded. Anyways, yeah, that's it. See y'all next time.